If you are seeing this message, that means you need to update your PHP version right now. And I'm going to show you step by step. Let's get started. In order to update your PHP version, you have to go to your cPanel. The cPanel is the control panel of your hosting or your server. This is my control panel. This is a Namecheap hosting. So I'm going to scroll down to the software section and I'm going to click select PHP version. If you don't see these exact same options, it's okay. You just have to look for a similar one or contact your hosting support to get guidance. If you are here, you just have to click the PHP version selector and you have to change the version. I recommend you to select the 8th version or the 8.1 depending on the date you are seeing this video. So I'm going to go with the last one, 8.1, and I'm going to click apply. If you want to check what is the last PHP version, you can go to php.net and here you are going to find the last PHP version. As you can see here is the 8.1 and that's the one I'm selecting here in my cPanel. So now that is saved, I can go back to my WordPress dashboard and I can refresh. And as you can see here, the warning disappeared. Now you have to make sure your website is working fine. So I'm going to open my website and I'm going to refresh. And it looks like everything is working just fine. This change could break your website. But don't worry, if you see any message, any warning, or if you see a message saying that there was a critical error on your website, what you have to do is go back to an older version. So if you go to this cPanel, you can change it again here to the version you used to have. And the other thing I recommend you is to update your theme and your plugins and also to update WordPress. That will guarantee a good performance, good security, and in general, a good user experience. If you like this video, don't forget to click the like button, subscribe to the channel, and enable notifications. If you have any questions, leave it on the comment box. I'm going to answer all of them. And if you want to learn how to create professional websites using Elementor and WordPress, don't forget to see this video. See you there. Bye.